It's really amazing. Is that my skin is sharing? Is you can see full skin? That why they are all are sharing 2 days. Okay, precious stuff. Yamita, you can see the skin. My drawing as well.
Yes.
Fine, fine. So let's start. We are going to the one. Hi Niharika, good evening. Make this two, make this three. Okay. In front of my good evening, good evening. In front of my the character is this. Okay. So now what's happening? I just create this character. Very simple cartoony shape. So this is basically uh, eyes line, forehead line, nose line, and here I can create a division. The two is the mouth line. Okay. So we are creating this character. Very simple. The today's challenge: how to create the realistic character to okay cartoon character. So I make the eyebrow and eyeball, but it's little cartoony. I make this okay. I make this very simple, not much not much detailing. Okay, I do this. Yes, yes. Eyes better like a oval. Yes, that's awesome. Wow. This is too good, Niharika. Make this. Thank you so much. So this is the eyeball. Okay. So this is actually eye. Okay. So we can create that character in cartoon. Now understood that, Prashasta, Yamita, this part. So I can make this. We should make the cartoony. So I not create the details line. We just like this. Okay. Do like this. See how your reference character when the reference you take the reference. Okay, reference is a realistic. That's for example I share you some reference is a realistic, but we are not doing the realistic. The challenge is we are creating the character that the cartoony. Okay, so how we can create the cartoony? For example, we are creating this lots of character of uh, lots of homepage lots of character of the Disney. ওর নাম্বারটা দিয়ে একবার ফোন করে দাও, ওরা ভুলে গেছে দিয়ে যাবে, খোলাই যাচ্ছে। তুমি তো বললে ওর নাম্বারটা নিলে না, নাও না, ঠিক আছে ক্লাস করে যাবো।
আমি নতুন দুটো তোয়ালে কিনবো, তাহলে তোয়ালেটা কিনে নিই কি যাওয়ার সময়
যাচ্ছো। Okay, so I make it this character is not at all okay, realistic. I can do realistic, but I'm not making realistic. I make it is a cartoony form. That is the challenge. The ear looks simple ear like this. Okay. So imagine so it is little difficult when you create any. You can see some character and draw copy. It's easy, but you make a new character with the reference of real character. It's a difficult. And all animations movie called Disney, the Mulan, the Rapunzel, Bella, Ariel, all cartoon character get from the real reference, real life that looks some character have. An artist imagine that same realistic character to create a cartoon character or semi-realistic. Today's sessions I share you how you take the real character and draw cartooning. For example, I show few drawing. Can anybody tell that what character it is? What Disney character it is? Anybody can guess it? Yeah, it's a Moana. Just 1 minute. I just want to explain that. Just 1 minute. This is a Moana. Okay, but I create the very simple and cartoony. This character, anybody tell that what character this is? Perfect. This is the Anna. Anybody tell that this character? Snow White. Perfect. So see, this is actually the character not look like this, but I make it look like a, you understand, okay, this is the character. This character? Anybody tell that? No? Mulan.
So can you show me that?
Yeah, I show. What character it is?
I want the chin part.
Yeah, I share you. Just 2 minutes. I just guess it the why I do this. The simplify is very important, okay? So make it a simplify the character. So I create more cartoony. Moana is a cartoony, but I create more cartoony. This is the reason. I'll show you. Done all of you? This one?
Can you show me the chin part?
Chin part beta? Yeah. I show the chin part again so once here. Okay, just half to this line to 3 line. Okay. So what are you doing? This is the eyes line. Make the eye like this. Then nose. This is nose line. The nose like this. Chin part you make it like this. Simple. So here you can draw this ear. And now chin coming. Understood beta? Understand? And now the neck. Okay, like this. Very simple. How actually I am doing my operation Byju's Disney Byju's product. I draw this kind of character every day. I'm making some new characters, backgrounds, assets. Okay, so I share you guys how you can create. Take your time. And then go ahead next 5 minutes and next 2 minutes. Okay, try to finish. You can go ahead the next. We can make the more drawing. So it will first.
Done, sir.
Done. Very nice.
Sir, can you see?
Please show me.
Sir, can you see?
Yeah, just a second. Show me, show me, show me, show me, show me now. Not visible. Show me.
Sir, I'm showing you.
Wow, Shwatika. Fantastic job. I like it. It's really amazing. Okay, so you understood that how to create the cartoon. Can you share this, Amita, Prashasta?
I can still find, but it is not fully completed.
Sorry, Vita?
I can still find, but it is not fully completed.
Okay, okay. Take time. Finish it.
Please see my
Finish it and show me. Okay, if you not show, then not improving. Not showing, not improving. We need to understand the the tech. Yeah, beta, tell me, beta.
Ma'am, can you see?
Yeah, wow. Niharika.
Yes.
This is really awesome. It's really awesome. I must say, this is the. Okay, next 2-3 minutes we are start.